How to gift YouTube channel membership. To gift YouTube channel membership, first of all, you have to purchase a gift bundle through the live chat window during an active live stream or premiere broadcast. Go ahead and launch the YouTube application on your device. Now you simply have to join live or active stream. Once you open it, all you have to do is now also make sure that the creator has enabled channel membership. Now you simply have to ensure the live chat field is visible on your screen. And also within the input text box on the screen, all you have to do is go ahead and proceed to choose your bundle by tapping on the gifting icon. From there, choose the membership gifting from the pop-up menu. Now you simply have to complete the purchase by tapping the buy option and then securely finalize the billing transaction using your linked credit card, Google Pay balance, or Apple Pay profile. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.